Hey everyone, welcome to another video. Today I'll show you how to make a magic paper ring that changes color. This is a very simple magic trick that anyone can do. You need a rectangular piece of paper with a different color on each side. If you don't have that, just glue two sheets of different colors together. Then just cut out the part you'll use. First of all, we are going to cut this paper rectangle in half. Next, we fold the left half into 3 equal parts. Then we fold the right half the same way, but with the other color facing out. Once that's done, just tape one piece to the other. And finally just make a good crease on the two sides, where the paper is taped. And that's it! To perform the trick, all you need to do is hold the ring in a way that shows only one of the colors, and then flip it over to reveal the other side. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching, and see you next time!